What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make and sell mandala coloring books for adults very fast. And the cool thing is, I'm going to show you how to do it without paying anything, without tech skills, and without design skills. Okay, now before I continue, make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials, case studies, and guides just like this one. And also, watch until the very end to get my 100% free method to create mandala coloring books, to get my ultra fast method to do this, and to get my free KDP mini course. Okay, basically everything you need to start creating and selling KDP books today. Okay, so adult coloring books, if you put this into Google and if you have the surfer keyword tool, you know that it's a pretty good market. You know, it's not a gigantic market, but there is healthy traffic every month. Over 60,000 people are searching for adult coloring books, and you can say without a doubt that one of the most popular types of adult coloring books are the mandala, or these intricate types of designs that you find, these mandalas. Okay, and you know, they're very beautiful to look at, and they're very good for relaxing, calming the mind, and getting people to focus. Okay, so these are, you know, again, hot selling types of adult coloring books, and a lot of people find them hard to create, you know, rightfully so. They're very intricate, but I'm going to show you an ultra fast way to do it 100% for free, and then I'm going to show you a much faster way to do it. Okay, now check this out. First thing you want to do is go to Pixabay. Okay, now there you can find a ton of mandalas here already, but I don't want you to use them as they are, because chances are someone has already put them up on Amazon already. Okay, so we still need them, but for a different purpose. So stay with me until the very end to get this 100% free method. Okay, so you can put it mandala in the search box right up here, and you're gonna click on images and go to illustrations. On top of that, you're gonna go to color, and you're gonna choose transparent and black and white, and then click go. Okay, now you have a ton of different mandalas here. But save and download about 7 or 8 of them, you know, as many as you want. Okay, now again, you're not gonna be using these mandalas as they are to upload to your KDP low content books, adult coloring books. You're gonna augment them a little bit. Okay, so the second tool you need is another 100% free tool. It's an open source tool. It's called Gimp. It's very much like Photoshop, okay, but it's 100% free. Okay, I use it a lot myself. Okay, and then you're gonna open up Gimp. It should look like this. There should also be a little toolbar right over here, and then you're gonna go into your download folder, and you're gonna find some of the mandalas that you recently downloaded off of Pixabay. Okay, now you're gonna choose one, doesn't really matter. You're gonna drop it into the Gimp box here, and you're gonna have, again, it has a transparent background. And again, you don't want to use this as is, because like I said before, and it's worth repeating, you don't want to get in trouble with Amazon. I'm sure you just assume that someone's already taken these mandalas from Pixabay and has already created a mandala book. So if you're found with duplicate content, there's a good chance, you know, that Amazon will kick you out. So you don't want that. Okay, so you have this mandala from Pixabay. So what you're gonna do is overlay another mandala from Pixabay, and voila, you have a whole new mandala, right? You have this one overlaying this one. It creates a more intricate pattern, and it looks beautiful. Okay, but I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna put in another mandala in here to make it even more. You don't have to. You can stop right now. You can save it. Click the edit button. Click export. Go to file. Click export as, and save this new design you created. But what I want you to do, is put in another one. Okay, so boom, another one right here. Now this one, as you can see, has a white background. I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. So this little toolbar on Gimp, it has this fuzzy select. This tool is called fuzzy select. Very simple. You just get into the space you want to remove. you're gonna see this fuzzy line appear around the borders, and then click delete, okay? You're gonna do it again, delete, okay? And again, delete, and there's another space over here, click delete, okay? Now I'm gonna go to File, click Export As, and I'm gonna call this Mandala 1, okay? Click Export. Oh, here it is, Mandala 1, very good. So here we go, extremely intricate, very beautiful type of mandala. Okay, after you're done with this, you're gonna wanna go to Canva, okay? Canva. Now you're gonna wanna do this, what I just did here with this mandala, with these 3 mandalas, this overlay. You wanna do it at least 24 times. That's the minimum amount of pages on a KDP book. Or if you wanna sell them off of your own site as a printable, that's another option. You don't have to make 24, you can have a book of 6, at least 6, I would do, okay? That's my own personal opinion. So you go to Canva, right? And let's say you're gonna do an 8x5. Wait, maybe here it is. US letter size document, okay? US letter size document. Okay, forgive the lag here, but when I'm streaming, my laptop gets a little bit slow. Okay, go to uploads. Okay, and you're gonna find your Mandala 1, drop it in here. Let's try that again. Drop it in here. There we go. And then once it's finished uploading, you're gonna click on it, and you're gonna expand it out. Okay, like this. Okay, always make some space between the borders because you don't want to hit the bleed of your KDP. Okay, and of course I have more resources down below how to create your cover. Okay, how to create the book covers, how to find very long tail keywords for the Amazon market, KDP market. Okay, but like I said, you can copy this. Well, not the mandala, but you can have up to 24 pages, I believe is the minimum for KDP. Okay, so you're gonna wanna copy this up to 24 or 25 times and just repeat the process that I did with this Gimp software and these free mandala images that I got off of Pixabay, okay? Now I'm gonna show you something very crazy, okay? I'm gonna take this cat and make a ton of mandalas, okay? Now I have this tool called Activity Book Mastery. It has a ton of different types of puzzles you can create in seconds. Okay, and one of them is kaleidoscopes, or what we just refer to as a mandala. Okay, and I just uploaded this little cat here onto the Activity Book Mastery, and you can just go to choose file, upload the image, and check this out. Okay, I like to keep it at 800 pixels. Click go. Okay. Now you have this mandala right here. Now if I hold down my mouse button and I move it around, I can create an infinite number of mandalas based off that little cat image, okay? You see that? All I have to do is stop, click save image as. You know, I can just keep on going forever, right? Create these different types of mandalas. I can go way over 24 pages, 25 pages. I can make 100 of these very, relatively fast. Okay, compared to my Pixabay method. Okay, not my Pixabay method, but my Gimp method. You can create these types of mandalas. You can create a ton of unique mandalas for your adult coloring book. Okay, so that's the method in a nutshell. Okay, now again, you don't need the activity mastery book. Okay, you don't need this at all. This is just an option. It has a ton of other types of puzzles you can create with this software, okay? And all these puzzles you create with this software has mazes as well, comic templates, seamless images, layered images, picture slices where it's kind of like a puzzle with pictures. You just take any picture and you slice it up, and then your customer has to put them together. A ton of these really fast puzzles you can create in seconds. and you again upload them to KDP, all new, fresh, never before seen puzzles, and you can sell them off of your KDP Amazon account. Okay, but first off, I want you to try the Gimp way, using the Gimp software, open source. And if you find it to be a good business idea for you, then by all means invest in activity book mastery. Okay, let me know what you think down below. If you ever created a mandala book, adult coloring book, or if you've ever sold a low content book on Amazon KDP, let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know. Okay, be good, take care, and have a great day. Bye bye.